Hello viewers, how are you all? In this video, we are going to know about Pharmacity. This Pharmacity is announced on 24th March 2018. This Pharmacity is going to be the world's largest pharma hub in the area of 19,333 acres. This project is exactly 23 kilometers away from Outer Ring Road Thukukuda Junction, exit number 14. And the project is between Srisailam and Sagar highways. The cost of the project is 5,157 crore. This is the 150 feet approach road from Srisailam highway to the Pharmacity and it connects to Sagar highway. This is the power station and the power grid of the project. This pharma hub includes pharma manufacturing units, laboratories, township, pharma research and developments. The main aim and the motto of the project is to establish a non-polluted and eco-friendly pharmacity. For this, the technologies and the methods used are ZLD, Zero Liquid Discharge, and CEPT, Common Effluent Treatment Plant. This world-class largest pharmacity creates 6 lakh of skilled and non-skilled employment. On the average rate of the point, these 6 lakh employees with their families populates nearly 18 lakhs. This population figure is nearer to Andhra Pradesh's second largest city, Vijayawada. In upcoming decades, a Vijayawada city is going to establish near this world-class pharmacity, and there will be a huge happening in real estate sector. This pharmacity is within Yacharam, Kandukur and Kadthal mandals. Having a property or investing money in the surroundings of this project and these mandals gives a good and unnatural appreciation within a short period of time.